Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put two pictures on one page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put two pictures in this page. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Pictures option. Then choose picture from our file. We can see here many pictures. Now I select two pictures. Select the first picture, then press Ctrl on our keyboard to select the multiple picture. Then click Insert. Now we can see here inserted two picture. Now we want to move this picture. Click the picture, then move it on this page. Then set this picture. Then resize the second picture and move it. Now we can see we put two pictures on one page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.